So, hey guys, sorry for the sorry for the camera. So today, some good news. Today we are going to be uploading puppets. Let's get it. All right, but I need to log on to my YouTube channel on my iPhone X over here, and yeah, so the puppet video coming today. Yeah. Subscribe if you like Arsenal.